Now let's talk about different data structures used in R programming, which is very, very important here. Because these data structures are unique to R. Okay. Similar type of data structure you will find into Python. But yes, all those data structures and the functionality, how they have been used, all those are unique to R. So we have to take care of it. So here we have different type of data structure present. So all these data structure is a particular way of organizing data in a computer so that it can be used effectively. The idea is to reduce the space and time complexity of different tasks. So to take that particular idea in mind, different data structure has been used here. Data structure in R programming are tools for holding multiple values. Now, with the help of, we know that why we use the data structures, right? So we have already learned many type of data structure in data structure subjects. Like we know about arrays, we know a linked list, tree, right? Stack, queue, all are different type of data structure we have. Now, those data structures are most of the data structures are very much easy to understand, and they have the how to make a structure out of the data. Now here, in the same way, we have the different type of data structures. Now, these data structure could be of different dimension. It might be of one dimension, it might be of two dimension, or it might be of n dimension. Okay. So it will allow us to make the data structure up to n dimension. And whether they are homogeneous, all element must be of the identical type, or heterogeneous. The element are often be various types. So any type of element we can put into the data structure. So if I have, let's say if we'll talk about the C++ programming, and when I'll create an array of integers, so all the values should be integer. And if I'll correct the character array, so all the values should be character. But here with different data structures, we can have heterogeneous data. It means that those data which we are putting in one data structure could be of different type, right? That can be there. This gives rise to the 6 data type, which are mostly frequently used in data analysis. So these are all used in the data analysis. Here, I think string is also there, which is not listed here, but we'll talk about that also. Now, the first data structure we talk about here is the vector. Okay. Now, what is a vector data structure and how it is working? That we'll see. Then list, then data frame, matrix, array, and factor. So all those are different data structure. One more is there, string. A string is also a data structure, a separate data structure that also we are going to see